The Paws listing date adjustment, in my opinion, is not out of place. I'm going to show you why in this very video. So this very information that came out yesterday, which to some person was not a good news, to ensure the best launch environment for you all, the Paws listing date will be slightly adjusted. Some person can say we've seen this in the past where they keep adjusting. It can be similar to that as well. Nobody knows. But in my opinion, they want a condition where the market environment is favorable for listing, because if they list right now, I am looking at a devastating listing because the market will never be favorable for it. But if they wait for the market to move up a little bit, at least let there be stability in the market. Then if they list, even though it's not going to do even very, very well, but there will be this little stability in the price of the Paws token. And one of the reasons why is because of the Fed interest rate decision that is coming tomorrow. So if they list today and Fed interest rate is tomorrow, within 24 to 48 hours, that very coin, that's the Paws token, is going to drop all the way to the downside. That is just the truth. So it will be wise for them to wait. Let Fed release the interest rate first of all. Let the market react to the interest rate. Maybe there will be stability in the market after the interest rate, which is a possibility, before the listing. That will be a wise decision to take. Now, what I am saying is not that if they wait and then Fed release interest rate is going to be good for the Paws token. That's what I'm saying. I am only saying that after the interest rate decision will be the best time for listing. Let the market react to it, because market always react to interest rate decision. I will show you why. If you look at this very area and you click on this federal fund rate, you see the last one was 4.50 basic point. And if you click on this very icon, it will take you to this very area. And if you look at it, the last update, that's the last interest rate, was on the 29th of January 2025. The next one is tomorrow, which is 19. Look at it here, 19 March. So if you come right to your chart, that is your price action, and check what happened after the Fed interest rate decision. Look at it right here. This very area is the 29th. This very point, this very candle right here is the 29th. Market go up a little bit. I was very much in this very market moving upward, and after 2 to 3 days, market begin to crash all the way to the downside, responding to this very interest rate decision together with the tariffs and the trade war we are seeing right now. So market comes all the way to the downside after the interest rate decision. So now that the market is at this very point, at a very bad state, do you think if Fed keep interest rate unchanged, which is a very high possibility, or if they cut interest rate, market is going to recover and give it a stability before the Paws listing? That is what I am personally looking at. I am looking at, if they cut interest rate, market should move aggressively upward. If they keep interest rate unchanged, we should see a little bit of movement to the upside a little bit. That is what I am expecting, not that aggressive. So that is what I think the Paws team is looking at right here. So it's not out of place for this postponement. For me, it's fine, but that does not guarantee that when they finally list it, it's going to be all the way to the moon. That is not what it is. It will give the token stability, at least. Not that immediately after listing, the token start dumping all the way to the downside. It will be very bad. So the listing postponement for me is not out of place. So let's wait for the Paws team to do their job and then give another listing date, which is very, very important. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description, and also in the pinned comments for more crypto updates, news, technical analysis, and trading strategies. Link in the pinned comment and in the description of this very video. It is a free channel. Thanks for your support.